it's just water. All gone.
Beautiful. Okay.
Okay.
That yellow bowl.
Okay. Now we're gonna do the bottom, and then you can do that, okay?
Okay.
You gotta do the bottom teeth.
Look
Okay, let me see your smile.
What?
Good job. Say Open big. Good job.
The top.
Say really big. Say big. Under the teeth.
Echoes.
I know. Go Good job.
Good boy.
Get one, Jeannie?
Nope. Say really big. I need to see you big. Good job.
Is that the one you want?
Really big.
That's the one
Maybe
you
over
want?
here.
Okay. For toothpaste.
Good job, Jessie.
Yes.
Open big.
So what we're going to do next is pick out some toothpaste.
Good boy, buddy.
Okay, we'll rinse it all out now, okay? Ready? Go Woo! Look at you go. Good job, buddy. You're being such a big boy.
Do oranges?
Yes.
I am so proud of you.
Is that your favorite color?
Okay.